पीछे ये खड़े रह ले लाइन में ना, सभी नफी पर मुंह दिखाकर साइन लेना, ड्रग्स लाइए फिर धकेल देंगे क्राइम पे ना, अकेला इंसान फिर गाड़ी तेरी चार क्यों, घर में है चार फिर रूम्स तेरे आठ क्यों, पैसों से नहीं बनते कुदरत से हम खास क्यों, तेरी पीढ़ी का सोच वो कैसे लेंगे सांस क्यों।
Oh God,
What happened, dear?
I am thinking, dear, that Karan and Arjun both are our sons. We gave them same love and affection. We bought them equally. They are studying in same college, but they both have so much of difference in their behavior. It's a difference of earth and sky. I am seriously worried about Arjun.
Oh, why you are worried about such a small thing? Arjun is just a child. I don't think so. He is doing anything wrong. He is just updated. You know, like technology is updating each minute. He is also little ahead. I am proud of him. I am worried about Karan. How he will cope with this first modern world. Arjun is just like me. Modern, and Karan is just like you.
Okay. I forgot to tell you.
About what?
Their professor, Mr. Kamar Bishnoi, is coming to home. He said he want to come and talk about Karan and Arjun.
Oh, great! I am sure he is coming to praise my sons. Both my sons are brilliant, especially Arjun. He is simply too good.
Namaste, sir. Great to see you. Please come in. Please have a seat. Sir, any special reason to come home? You said you want to talk. Anything serious?
Oh, no, nothing serious. I thought I will come and meet you and give this mark sheet of Karan and Arjun. But I came to talk about Arjun.
Tell, sir. Need not to hesitate.
Oh, my dear, so happy to see you respecting your elders like this. God bless you with immense health and wealth. I know you will make your parents proud one day. Karan, your elder son, he is much grounded and well behaved. Arjun, he is good in studies, but behavior is too bad. He doesn't care for anyone. Neither elders, teachers, nor his juniors. He never thinks about other feelings before saying anything. They both are your kids, but sorry to say, sir, Arjun is not brought up well.
What are you saying, sir? How dare you to say something my son?
Ma'am, please don't be angry. I am also concerned about your son. Arjun is my student too. I am saying for his good only.
Go away! I don't want to listen anything from you. Need not to come to my home again. Goodbye.
My mom is absolutely correct. Do not cross your limits, sir. We pay you to teach us. Don't try to be over smart.
Oh, now I understood why Arjun is like that. One thing I must say, ma'am, you will regret one day. So sad.
After 2 days, in the early morning,
Hello, brother. How are you? How is everything in USA? Okay. Okay, great news, brother. When are you coming to India? Coming Saturday. We'll wait for you. See you soon.
Looking so happy. What happened?
Dear, my younger brother and his family coming to India on Saturday. I am so excited to see him after so many years.
USA. I will go shopping today. Buy new modern clothes. We will change whole decor of house. They should not feel that they came to a villager's house.
But there is no need. Our house is perfect.
No means no. I will change.
Okay, as you wish. You are head of this house. Oh, my dear brother, come inside. Namaste, Babiji.
Hi, Bru and Babs. Oh, what are you doing? I am not 80 years old, lady. Do not touch my feet. It's so old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned? What are you saying, Bhabiji? It's our culture and way of taking blessing from our elders.
Bhabiji, he is correct. Give us blessing. Don't call me Bhabiji. Call me Babs. You came from USA and still so backward? Bhabiji? Oh, I mean Babs. Following our culture and traditional values does not make you backward. It's your mindset which makes you backward or forward. I'm a working woman in USA, but I prefer wearing sari to my workplace. I prefer Indian food. I love worshipping God every morning. These all things help me to be grounded and close to my Indian culture. What's wrong in that? Everything is wrong only. Anyways, have a seat. Where are your kids? Oh, they came. Come, beta. Namaste, Tauji. Namaste, Taiji.
Hi, uncle. Hi, aunt. How are you, man?
After one day,
Kamal sir, please come in.
No, I will not come inside. Our dean sent me to inform you that college has rusticated Arjun for misbehaving with teachers and head of the institution. He is blacklisted from all the colleges of the city.
what? Oh no! Sir, what about his career?
You only spoil him. I told you, if you don't correct him now, you have to regret one day. I cannot help you now. He has to help himself. if he wants to lead a good life ahead.
Sorry, mom. Sorry, dad. Sorry, sir. Forgive me.
It's not your mistake, beta. It's all my mistake. I am really sorry. It's all my mistake. Sorry.